cloud. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Collin County in north central Texas until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Princeton, or 7 miles east of McKinney, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, $$. Hail and winds up to 50 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McKinney, Anna, Princeton, Lowry Crossing, Melissa, Blue Ridge, New Hope, Weston, and Westminster. Prepare immediately for large hail. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Fort Worth. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately.